Pectus Warriors, what's going on? It's Byrne from fixpectus.com, and today's video, what I wanted to talk about is how old you need to be to start training for Pectus Excavatum. Before I get into that, I just want to address the red marks on my chest. That is from using the vacuum bell in making that vacuum bell analysis video, which will be coming soon. So stay tuned for that. It will be a video dropping very shortly. Probably my next video. So make sure you're subscribed and you got notifications on if you do want to see that video. Anyway, so in regards to how old you need to be to start training for Pectus, my answer is realistically it's any age, okay? So if you're a mum out there and you've got a kid who's like under 10 years old, for example, we don't want them to be going into the gym and, you know, doing some crazy bodybuilding regime and eating a crazy protein-rich diet and tracking their macros. No, that's quite excessive for them. But what they can start doing is, you know, just focusing on their posture, stretching, and trying to get them in the habit of living a healthier lifestyle, and even exercising as well. Like exercising at 8 years old is fantastic, and that's a big thing of training for Pectus, is building a muscular and a healthy body, because it's the unhealthy bodies where the posture's, you know, heaps rounded forward, or you got a beer belly or a pot belly, or, you know, excess body fat or not much muscle that makes your pectus look worse. So even when you're younger, being healthy and active is a very important thing to do, okay? But then when it comes to actually training with a proper bodybuilding program, or signing up to my coaching, my programming, the Pectus Transformation Challenge, you know, I would say anyone over 12 is a great time to start, okay? And realistically, if you're 12 to 14, 16, if you're a parent of someone that age, that is a really, really great time to start, because that is when, you know, you've got a lot of muscle building potential in regards to hormones, and then also when your bones are the most malleable. So there's been plenty of studies that show that the ribs can be changed in shape, especially at a younger age, okay? And then also in regards to the vacuum bell and the sternum lift, they're most effective at a younger age when the bones are more malleable and your sternum hasn't actually set properly in place. So I would definitely recommend training if you're a 12 to 16, signing up ASAP, because the sooner you start, the better the result is going to be, especially if you're looking to use the vacuum bell as well to lift your sternum in conjunction with building your muscle, you know, building your pec muscles around your pectus to make it less noticeable, building your abs and your obliques to help with the rib flare and the pot belly, and building your back and stretching and opening up the chest to help with the posture. That's going to make your pectus so much less noticeable. But then we go to the other spectrum where we've got 40-year-old man or 50-year-old man, you know, older people who want to start training for Pectus as well. And they always ask me, am I too old to make a change? And the answer is no way. No matter what age you are, you can completely transform your Pectus and make it look a whole lot less noticeable. Just because your bones aren't as malleable, it doesn't matter, because the biggest premise of my training isn't about manipulating your bone structure. What it is it's about building muscle, fixing posture, and building muscles in key places to make your pectus look less noticeable. And you can definitely do that at 40. It doesn't matter. Even if you're, you know, muscle building hormones, your testosterone is not as high, it doesn't matter. You know, we got to work with what you've got and you'll still get amazing results. And I have plenty of 40-year-olds, 50-year-olds who completely transform their pectus and make it look so much less noticeable. Like for example, my client Glenn, he's got an amazing result. My client Mike, absolutely phenomenal results. And those guys are in their 40s. So you guys can completely transform even if you are older. And I've even had clients in their 60s get amazing results, okay? So this stuff works no matter what age you are, okay? And it's so effective and proven. So if you've been thinking about starting and you're not sure, you weren't sure if you're the right age, if you're too young, too old, it doesn't matter what age you are, you really should start. And that's what I really wanted to get across as a message in this video, is the time is now. So I would start your training today. And if you have been starting and you've been just doing random workouts and you're not getting results, well, not really surprised, because it's random, you know. Random workouts are going to give you random results. So what I would recommend is following a structured program that works. You know, I've been coaching people with Pectus for 5 years now. All my clients who sign up, they get amazing results. You've seen my testimonials. If you haven't, then I'll put them in here. Hundreds of clients have signed up and completely transformed their body. And right now I have a really, really exciting offer, and that is the 2021 Pectus Transformation Challenge. It's got limited spots available and limited time to enroll. So make sure you do enroll ASAP, aka right now. Link will be in the description to sign up for that. And you will potentially, if you sign up, you can potentially win a trip to Australia, Byron Bay, to come and train and hang with me. But yeah, if that sounds good to you and you want to fix your pectus, you don't want surgery, then I think the 2021 Pectus Transformation Challenge is going to be perfect for you. Link will be in the description. Click that. Book a free call with me so you can get to know me. We can see if you're a good fit, see if I can help you transform, which I'm sure I probably can. And then I'll meet you on the call, assess your pectus, and make sure I assign you the right program so you can fix your pectus. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.